Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make a reversible Christmas or holiday placemat size 19 inches long by 13 inches wide. You can repeat the process for additional placemats. Supplies needed will be a threaded sewing machine using a zipper foot, ironing board or pad, 2 different Christmas fabric designs but enough for the number of placemats you intend to make. Fusible interfacing you can purchase from craft stores, but I purchased mine from Amazon. Fabric clips or pins, marking pen, pencil, or tailor's chalk, scissors, tape measure. Pre-wash the fabric, then measure and cut both fabric designs and interfacing for your preferred size. Line up all 4 sides of the main fabric, the coordinating fabric, and the interfacing. Make sure you test the interfacing to see which side sticks to the fabric first before ironing the interfacing to the back side of the coordinating fabric. Iron interfacing to the back side of the coordinating fabric, lining up all edges. Start pressing the top edge and work your way all the way down to the rest of the fabric, making sure you flatten the fabric as you go. After the interfacing is attached, pin the main fabric to the coordinating fabric with right side together. Then stitch the pieces together around all sides using about a 1/2 inch seam allowance, but leave about a 2 to 3 inch opening to turn the placemat the right side out when done. After placemat is sewn, turn right side out, or you can clip the corners before turning right side out. You can use something with a point at the end to push the corners out, like a chopstick or the head of a pen or pencil, but be careful not to pierce it. Press placemat, including the opening. and top stitch about a 1/4 inch outside around all sides, including the opening, and you're done. You've now made your own reversible placemat.